I think you got the concept. Next, we have question on the same pattern. See, here the difference is 2. Here is the difference is 2. The difference is 2 in each of the sets. The difference is 2 in each of the sets. And we have to find out the smallest. So which one will be the smallest? Whose sum is the greatest? So here, this one is the, here the sum greatest is here. Here the sum is 800. Here the sum is 400. Here the sum is 200. If I have to arrange them in ascending or descending order, or here the sum is 600. So whose sum is greatest? That will be the least third, and whose sum is the lowest will be the greatest third. So this one will be the greatest. This one will be the greatest third. This one is the greatest. And this one will be the least. This one will be the least third. This one will be the least third. So what will we have to tell? The smallest among. So smallest whose sum is the greatest. Which of the following is true? We have to compare these thirds. Which of the following is true? See, we have 11 to the power 1 by 3. 11 to the power 1 by 3. It is 11 to the power 1 by 3. It is 7 to the power 1 by 2. 7 to the power 1 by 2. Now what we have uh, learned in the first question, this is the application of that question. Since the powers are in fraction, what will we do? We will take the LCM of 2, 3 and 4, and guys, their LCM is nothing but 12. LCM is what? Least common multiple. 12. So we will multiply each power, we will multiply each number by 12. So here we have 11 to the power 4. Here we have 7 to the power 6. Here we have 45 to the power 3. So now we have to compare them. See, these two can be compared easily because their SCF is 2. These also can be compared easily because their SCF is 3. If I have to compare these, because their complete SCF of these two number is 1, so I cannot compare them equally. I have to compare first this one, this. So LCM, their SCF is 2, so I can write it as 11 is square whole square, and I can write it as 7 cube whole square. If I have to compare these two sets, these two numbers, then what I have to do? I have to just take the SCF of these numbers, so I can compare them. Their SCF is 3. I can write it as 7 square cube, and it is 45 cube. So what it is? It is 49 cube. It is 45 cube. So the root 7 terms is larger, and root 40, this, so this one option will be eliminated. This one is smaller to this one. So this one, if I compare these two, if I compare these two numbers, see, this is nothing but 121 square, and this is nothing but what is 343 square. If I compare these two numbers, it means that this one is larger to this one, and this one is larger to this one. It means this one is the largest, and then this, and then this. But what about this one and this one? What about this one and this one? We have to compare this one and this one. See, this thirds is greater to this, and this third is greater to this. It means that this one is the greatest. So this one is the greatest. We have two such options. We have two such options. So this one and this one is eliminated. Now we have to compare between this one and this one. So this one and this one we have to compare. What it is? It is 121 whole square. And what is another? It is 45 whole cube. 45 whole cube. So how we can calculate them? See, 121 square. If I take it as 13, if I take it at 130 square, it is equal to 16900. See, I am letting it 130. I am taking a number which is greater to this number. I am taking a number which is lesser to I am taking it as 40. And you know that 40 cube is nothing but 16,000. Wait. 121 whole square we can actually calculate. It is 1 4 121 plus 21 is 142. 14641 it is. 14641 it is. It is the exact value of 121 whole square. Or if I take this number as 40, if I take this number closer to 40, and you know that 40 cube is nothing but 16,000, and 16,000 is greater to this number, that will come on the second number. This one will be the correct answer. The value of 4 to the power 8 into 1 divided by 32 into 4 plus 4 plus 4 of 4 is, see, we have 4 here, in the power we have 8 into 1. We have to divide it by 32. 32. Then we have to multiply it with 4. 4. Then we have plus. Plus. Then we have plus. 4 plus 4 plus 4 of 4. 4 plus 4 of 4 means 6. 4 of 4 is nothing but 16. So 4 to the power. 4 to the power. What we have? 32 by 32 is 1 or plus 20. Now we have 4 to the power 20 as our answer. But guys, there is a problem. And problem is that we have no such option that make 4 to the power 21. So we will make some arrangement in the question. We will make question correct, or either we take another option, but these options are integral numbers, so we will, there is some problem in this. What we have to do, I have to do something. 4 to the power 4, it is 1 plus, if I make it 3, if I make this bracket 3, what I have to do, I can make it 5 6. There is no option 4 to the power 6. I can do one thing. We have to do one thing. We have to improvise something. See what I will do. We have a, see, I will do divide here and minus here. Divide here and minus here. Is it visible to you guys? Is it visible to you? Yeah, is it visible? It is visible to you. We have minus here and we have divide here. So our question will transformed. How? Now we have, what we have? 4 minus, and 4 divided by 4, I have 1. So now what I have? 1 plus 4 minus 1 is 3, and 4 to the power 4, and 4 to the power 4 is equal to 256. So we have corrected the question. 256 is the correct answer. If 2 to the power 4x minus 1 is equal to 4x, then find the value of 16 to the power x. 16 to the power x. So how we can solve this question? We have 2 to the power 2 to the power 4 x minus 1 is equal to 4 to the power. We can write it as 2 to the power 2x. 2 to the power 2x. If we have a to the power m is equal to b to the power n. Sorry, a to the power n and a to the power n. If base are same, then powers are also equal. M equal to n. So this one is the property which we'll use in this question. So we have 4x minus 1 is equal to twice of x. Twice of x. What we have 2x is equal to 1, means x is nothing but 1 by 2. What we have to find? 16 to the power x. We have to find 16 to the power x, means we have to find out 16 to the power 1 by 2, and it is nothing 4 to the power 2 to the power 1 by 2. 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, and 4 is our required answer. Option number C is the correct answer. Next.